An insect artist and a sand trap.
Cindy, what is this sound?
Buzz, buzz. It sounds like bees. Maybe worker bees are looking for honey. Bees eat nectar of flowers, carry pollen, and play a very important role in plant fertilization. No.
Still, Cindy, let's run away. Why? What do you mean, why? What are you going to do if you're stung by a worker bee? Bee stings hurt.
You're right.
Cindy, let's run away to that pool in the tree.
Okay. Why is that bee so huge?
That's a wasp. Hornet.
Huh? A hornet? They're supposed to be as big as an adult thumb.
Ha! You're right! We are the greatest in the insect world. And we're outstanding artists.
Artists?
See? We build a hive in an empty hole in the ground or a tree and make dense hexagonal rooms in there. What do you think about my excellent artistic skills?
But why are you making them in hexagons?
Sheesh! You can make a lot more rooms in a small space if the rooms are hexagonal. My hive is sterile, so since ancient times, it was considered a hidden treasure. It was more precious than health-boosting plants like ginseng.
More than ginseng?
Of course! It is very effective for treating paralysis, bronchial asthma, diabetes, and improving liver function. The queen bee lays eggs in each of the hexagonal rooms. Then worker bees bring food and feed the larvae. We're generally omnivorous. We eat honeybees and oak sap. I have enemies too. Beekeepers! I only went out to catch a honeybee, since one can feed 10 baby hornets. But the beekeepers don't know that and chase us down with brooms. And the badger. It has very thick skin, so it can withstand any sting, no matter how strong the stinger is. It is always after our hive. I don't know when it'll come hunting again, so I should get going.
Bye, Hornet.
Ben!
What?
Look behind you!
Is this a beehive? Oh my god!
Oh dear! Go away! I think they think we are its food!
Friends, please stop these larvae! Ah! The caterpillars are all gone! Thanks, friends!
Ben, let's get out of here quick! Come!
Cindy, wait for me! Wait for me, Cindy!
Oh, it's just sand. Oh, that's strange. I feel like my feet are sinking more and more.
Are they? Cindy, this is a sand pit trap!
A sand pit trap? What is that?
That's where the ant ghost lives!
Ant ghost?
No, I'm not a ghost.
You're not?
I'm not a ghost or a lion, but I'm called an ant lion. There's about 600 types of us around the world. My body is an elliptical shape. I have hair in clumps, so it's not that pretty. But look at this jaw. It's very thin and sharp. It's longer than my head and chest combined. I make a mortar-shaped nest in the sand, and everyone calls it the sand pit trap. I hide in the sand beneath the nest I catch the ants or small insects that become trapped. Then with this large jaw, I hold the prey, use the digestive juice to melt it, then suck its fluids. Hey now, I'm not the only one that does that. My friends, Hajnomia micans and Glenoroids japonicus also do that. We walk backward in circles to make the nest. Then when prey falls in, we cover it with sand. That's to not let it get away. What do you think about my hunting skills? Oh, food! Bye now!
Look at it go, shaking its bum.
Ah! Cindy! It's the antlion!
Oh my god! Ben, let's get out of here!
My feet keep slipping more and more!
What? Oh, what do we do? What do we do? Ah! Friends, please stop the antlion while Ben and I escape.
Hooray! We've escaped!
It went inside the sand pit. Ben, let's go before it returns.
Okay!
So, you've made it this far. Thank God you're still alive. Cindy, Ben, wait just a little longer.